Create account, email, date of birth, phone number. Okay.
Wait, are you sure you want to provide them with your personal data?
Well, yes, I am afraid they might misuse it, but I don't really have another chance if I want to obtain their services.
This is exactly how about 71% of all Europeans feel. This is your right to be informed about your data being processed, and you should be the one that has access to it.
And what if my personal information on the internet is incorrect or unwhole? Can I change it? Or can I delete it from the web completely?
Yes, according to the new 2016 General Data Protection Reform, you have the right to be forgotten.
Wait, what is the whole reform about?
The new data protection reform is about easier access to your own data and more transparency about how the data is being processed, with, of course, easier information.
I still don't understand. How can the EU ensure that the privacy concerns are being respected, especially in regards to globally operating service providers?
You know what? I think we should ask delegates about it.